So let's move to our first topic, that is air present everywhere around us? क्या air हर जगह present होती है? So we have an activity, that is activity number 2, to prove this experiment. All right, take an empty open bottle. एक empty open bottle लीजिए. So now tell me, is it really empty? क्या वो सच में empty है? Because if you can't see anything inside it, it means that bottle is empty. Yes? So we consider it as empty bottle. So turn it upside down. Is something inside now? For example, I am holding a bottle like this. Let's take this as a bottle. If I am holding a bottle like this, an open bottle, so I consider it as an empty bottle. Now, if I turn it upside down like this is what upside down means. इसको मैंने upside down turn कर दिया. Now, I don't see anything falling from this bottle. No, not at all. Means this bottle is still empty. Yes? Now, dip the open mouth of bottle in the bucket filled with water. The same bottle, I have to dip inside the bucket of water. Yes? Now, I have to observe the bottle. So, this experiment looks like this. In the first picture, you see that the bottle is inverted and put straight into the bucket full of water. Means बिल्कुल straight direction में उसको बिल्कुल नीचे bottle को bucket में डाला है. Does the water enter the bottle? यहाँ पे क्या आपको नजर आ रहा है कि bottle में पानी जा रहा है? No. Here we see the water is not getting inside the bottle. Even it is inside the bucket of water. Bucket of water में bottle को डालने के बाद भी पानी bottle में नहीं जा रहा. Now tilt the bottle slightly. See the picture number 2. Here we have inserted the bottle little slightly. थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा करके हमने bottle को डाला है in the bucket filled with water. As you can see in the picture number 2 here. Yes? Now, does the water now enter the bottle? अब बताइए, क्या पानी bottle में जा रहा है? Yes. Here in the second picture, the water is getting inside the bottle. We see bubbles coming out of the bottle or hear a bubbly sound. One more thing, you can see that too many bubbles are coming out and forming in the bottle, or whenever the water enters in the bottle, you see a bubbling sound. Yeah? एक हल्की सी आपको bubbling sound सुनाई पड़ती है when the water enters in the bottle. Now, the question is, what was it? जो आपने bubbles देखे आते हुए and जो bubbly sound सुना है आपने, exactly what that is? क्या है वो? It was air that was present in the bottle. So the bubbly sound that you were hearing, it is because of the air. So bubbles contained air. Bubbles contained air. Yes, so that is what it was. It was air. So bottle was not empty. It was completely filled with air. So, जो हमने bottle ली थी firstly, या आपने picture में जो bottle दी है, it was not actually empty, but it was filled with it was filled with air. It was filled with air. सबसे, but वो हमें नजर नहीं आती. हमने पहले introduction में पढ़ा that we can't see air, but feel it. So, हम देख नहीं सकते, but it was present completely inside the bottle. So, water did not enter the bottle when pushed in an inverted position, as there was no space to escape the air. See this picture again. It was the first picture that we did. In this picture, you see that हमने inverted position में bottle को straight डाला है अंदर water के. Yes? But as you can see that there is no space for air to escape because पानी आ गया. The next medium that came was water. अब water ने कोई space ही नहीं दी क्योंकि bottle was straight up inside the bucket as you can see. तो हवा को जगह ही नहीं मिली कि वो निकल पाए. So जब हवा है bottle में तो how can water enter inside the bottle? So इसी वजह से in the first one जो पानी है वो bottle के अंदर नहीं गया. Got it? Now, when the bottle was tilted, the air was able to come out in the form of bubbles. जब हमने bottle को हल्का सा tilt किया like this, now the air got little space to escape the bottle. अब हवा को थोड़ी सी जगह मिल गई to escape from the bottle कि फटाफट वो निकल जाए हवा. So water filled with the empty space that air has occupied. Now हवा निकल गई तो bottle has now become empty and now the water can enter the bottle. So that is why in the second picture where you have seen water entering inside the bottle was because कि air बाहर चलेगी and water came inside the bottle. Got it? So this was the picture that we were talking about. This is experiment with the empty bottle a little tilted in position. Here the bottle is a little bit tilted. So air escapes the bottle. Here the air escapes the bottle and water enters in the bottle. Inverted straight position में ये नहीं हुआ, but थोड़ा सा tilt करने पे it came out like this. So this activity shows that air occupies space. इस activity से हमें क्या पता लगा? That air has a space. Air की अपनी space होती है. It occupies space. Air occupies space. Remember this line. Yeah? It fills all the space in the bottle. जहां भी air present रहेगी वो सारा space fill करेगी. As we have seen that in the bottle also, it has occupied all the space present in the bottle. Also, air has no color. See, these are the properties of air we are talking about. Properties of air. इनको हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? Properties. अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कि air की properties क्या होती है, तो आपको ये आंसर लिखना है that air occupies space. Also, air has no color. It is transparent and it is present everywhere around us. First, let us revise again. What are the properties of air? Air occupies space. It has no color. It is transparent and it is present everywhere around us. Now, our earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air. Because we have air everywhere around us and also we can easily move in and out through the air. कभी आप चलते हैं, if you're going by on a walk or if you're running or if you're jogging, तो क्या आपको कभी struggle feel होता है to cross the air? Never. So air has a very thin layer that is present around us. This layer extends up to many kilometers above the surface of the earth. ये जो layer होती है वो ground से लेके ऊपर कई किलोमीटर्स तक होती है, till the sky, even above it. So this layer extends till many kilometers, these thin layers. It is called atmosphere. Atmosphere ही बोलते हैं ये thin layer जो हवा हमारे अगल बगल present है. These are all called as atmosphere. So this is just a rough picture of atmosphere कि आपको देख रहा है कि ground से लेके even up till the sky. This atmosphere is present up till many kilometers. Yes? One more thing. As we move higher in the atmosphere, the air gets rarer. Air gets rarer. See, air gets rarer when we move up. Now, what do you mean by rarer? इसमें इसका मतलब क्या है कि जैसे हम ऊपर जाते रहते हैं, air keeps on getting rarer. Okay, rarer का जो हम synonym पढ़ते हैं, rarer का antonym क्या है? Denser. So, near the ground area where I am standing, where you are standing. So, यहाँ पे air का जो amount है, it is denser because you are able to breathe freely. आपको कोई problem आ नहीं रही breathe करने में. Means we have enough amount of oxygen present in the atmosphere. This is what it means. तो यहाँ पे oxygen का amount, also the component of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, we have sufficient amount of these gases present in the atmosphere. तो क्योंकि वो काफी अच्छे अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट है, दैट इज वाई हमारे आसपास का जो एनवायरमेंट है इट इज डेंसर. डेंसर का मतलब मोर एंड हियर रेयरर का मतलब वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एज लेस. गॉट इट? यहां पे रेयरर का मतलब हो गया कम और डेंसर का मतलब हो गया ज्यादा. तो अब ऊपर ऊपर जाते जा रहे हैं एंड एयर इज गेटिंग रेयरर. रेयरर का मतलब कि द अमाउंट ऑफ गैसेस प्रेजेंट हियर अराउंड द अर्थ के पास जितना अमाउंट ऑफ गैस प्रेजेंट है वो जैसे जैसे आप ऊपर जाओगे वो अलग अलग हो जाएगा, इधर उधर उड़ जाएगा, फैल जाएगा. आइदर इट विल गो अप इन द स्पेस. बट व्हाई? द रीजन हियर कम्स व्हाई. बिकॉज यहां पे अर्थ के पास ग्रेविटेशनल पुल ज्यादा है. अर्थ के पास कोई चीज प्रेजेंट होएगी ग्राउंड के पास, जमीन के पास, तो उस पे ग्रेविटेशनल पुल ज्यादा लगता है. यस, एंड व्हेन एनीथिंग गोज अप अबव द एटमॉस्फेयर, अप इन द एयर, बहुत ऊपर किलोमीटर्स तक जाती है, तो वहां पे ग्रेविटेशनल पुल रिड्यूसेस, कम हो जाता है ग्रेविटेशनल पुल. इसी वजह से हवा इधर उधर चली जाती है. Either it goes in the space or it gets distorted here, there, it spreads anywhere it wants. तो वहां पे इकट्ठे एक जगह नहीं रहती. So now ये आपको समझाया क्यों गया है? So mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders with them while climbing high mountains. So he is the mountaineer. एंड जब भी माउंटेनियर्स को हाई माउंटेन्स क्लाइम करना होता है, तो एज वी नो दैट द एयर गेट्स रेयरर अप एज वी मूव अपवर्ड्स. एंड पहाड़ तो कितने ऊंचे ऊंचे होते हैं माउंटेन्स. तो व्हेन पीपल गो टू द माउंटेन्स, वहां पे इतना ऑक्सीजन तो होगा नहीं. सो दे कैरी ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर्स विद देम सो दैट दे आर एबल टू ब्रीथ प्रॉपर्ली. एज इफ यू गो विदाउट ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर्स, आपको वहां पे इतनी ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिलेगी. सो इट कैन अफेक्ट योर हेल्थ. आपको चक्कर भी आ सकता है. So that is why it is must to carry oxygen cylinders when you are moving up in the mountains, high mountains पे specifically अगर आप जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं तो.